Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone is doing great. Just a quick video about some resources that students and their parents can get for their private lessons. Then those who are interested in their children having their theory test as well, there's a theory test kit here as well. They can study. It's a very good one. The L plates and the P plates. So the L plate to put on a car before they drive away, which is part of the law. You need to be 21 years old and have your driving license for at least 3 years to supervise a learner driver. And after they pass, you can use the P plate to help them get more confident on the road. These being part of the continuous program of training until the student is fully competent to drive independently. Okay, that's very good. So you have the L plates and the P plates. And so when a parent is taking their child on a driving lesson, they can get some of these resources from the link in the description below, Amazon, to get some of these resources. Now we have the interior mirror, which is the extra mirror, which the supervising the student learner will be using. The driving examiners also use this when they're on a driving test. Of course, someone who is preparing for their test will need to have one in their car before they go to the test to be part of the test. Okay, I am not endorsing you to go and buy this. You can get some of these cheap in the pound stretchers and £1 shops, home bargains, B&M bargains, and other places as well. Okay, Tesco's and Asda's could be slightly dearer, but you can still get them there. But for those who like shopping online, Amazon and so forth, the link to these products are in the description below. So please feel free to use the links there to get to Amazon and get these products. Once again, you're not required to get them from here. You can get them in the shops I've just mentioned. Something like I would like to talk about more is the reflective logbook, which is here. It's a very good one. So it's the learner driver's self-reflective logbook. It's something that each learner student should have a form of reflective logbook to go back to. So the things they've learned, how that is going to benefit them, and then they can use the information there to help themselves become better drivers throughout their training session. So that's the insight. It's a motivational quote inspired self-reflective logbook. And it's very, very important to have motivation, because motivation is it's powerful. It helps us to continue to do things that we otherwise wouldn't do. Everybody needs motivation in their life, and so that is what I thought I would do to motivate anyone, not just for driving but for their personal lives as well. So my motto is a driver for life, not just to pass your test. Okay, as I mentioned, it's a motivational quote inspired self-reflective logbook. Okay, so my next picture here is your name, then today's affirmations, 3 good things. Today, something that I'm proud of. You got space there to put that in there. Okay, so we're going to come to the first quote. Okay, this is from Jim Rohn. Those who are into the motivational speakers field, he once said that your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. Absolutely absolutely true. That's one of my favorite quotes. Yet you can't expect life to change by chance. Leave it by chance, it will never happen. We have to change for our life to change. Okay? If you do nothing about life, life will not change for you. You know, the days where miracles happen without doing anything are gone. But today we need to put in an effort to get the reward. It's like a farmer who plants seed. He cultivates the land, put the seed, water it, and then the seed will germinate. But that's not the end. You got to keep cultivating it until the harvest. That is the change that the farmer is putting into his crops, and then he gets a harvest. So the same thing applies to life. Our life does not change or does not get better by chance. It gets better by deliberate effort to change. So that's one of my favorite quotes. I hope this can inspire you as well. So all the book is filled. So the one side is motivation and the other side is the workbook. I can see a clip of that. Okay. So the first page is the lesson number 1, number 2, the title of your subject you're doing, the day, the date, what you want to achieve from your lesson, and then what you have achieved, what helped you to learn, what prevented you from learning, if anything, what will you do before your next lesson, and what do you want to achieve from your next lesson. So all of these things are there to jog your memory, to help you put thought onto paper, because research shows that when you write things down, it stays longer in your mind rather than just letting it pass through the mind. We've got so many things to think about in life, so writing things down helps you to remember them. And you remember, it's in a book. You can go through the book again. Normally, I encourage my students to revise their notes 5 to 10 minutes before I come for their next lesson. By doing it that way, they always remember the things they have learned, and that helps them make good progress as well. Okay, so the next page in the book here is another motivational quote from Joe Girard. The elevator to success is out of order. Now, if an elevator is out of order, what do you need to do? You need to climb, use the stairs to get to the platform that you're getting into. So yet the elevator to success is out of order. You will have to use the stairs one step at a time. It's a motivational quote to encourage people to work hard. Success is not by chance. It is by deliberate effort to walk up the steps. And when you walk up the stairs, of course, you're burning some calories, so to speak. You're going to stay active. The same way, when you take deliberate actions in life, in this instance, you are learning to drive. That is taking steps. And then that is when you achieve success. Okay, let's go to the next page. So this is the second page, where you are going to write the things that you're going to work on. So you can see here that there's a scale here. So how do you feel about today's lesson? So previously, let's say for example, you've done turning left and turning right. Okay, so today's lesson, how do you feel about it? Are you feeling from 0 to 10? 0 being not very happy. 10 means I'm positive. So before your lesson, how are you feeling? Feeling like, oh, you're confident you're going to do this. You're about 3, you're about 4. Then after the lesson, where do you want to be after the lesson? Then you're going to discuss that with your driving instructor. And then after you do your lesson, hopefully you're going to be above your targeted number that you've written in the box there. Okay. Then you're going to follow the same exercise as you have done previously. Okay, good. The next page is another motivational quote. A river cuts through a rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Jim Watkins. A river cuts through a rock not because of its power, but its persistence. That is absolutely true. Okay, I don't want to go too deep into explaining that, but it's kind of self-explanatory. Okay, very good. The next one, if you can dream it, you can do it. Walt Disney. Okay, another one. It's coming. I never lose. I either win or learn. Nelson Mandela. Now, this is very powerful because people think failure is a failure. They think if they have failed something, they've lost and everything else. No. If you ask any successful person in life or you listen to them, you can never win or be successful in life or rich or whatever without failure. You fail to learn a lesson. So if you do something and you don't get the result, it means you're doing it wrong. So the lesson learned from that is try it a different way. Many successful inventors in life have failed, in quote, many times until they realized that those experiments were teaching them that the way they were applying their method was not the right way. Eventually, they've got the better way and then they got the result they wanted. The one who invented electricity, the same thing. Michael Jordan, the famous basketball player, he said he failed about 9,000 times. But the one time that he wins, everybody talks about it, but everybody talks about the failures. And many other inventors have failed many, many times and eventually realized that life was teaching them that the way they were applying their knowledge was not the correct way, and eventually they learned a better way. So failures are not failures, they are lessons learned in life. So you never lose, you never fail, you only learn, and by learning you have gone a step further than someone who hasn't learned or who has never failed. And it's impossible to become successful or win without failures. So that's a lesson from that. Okay. Then the next page. Okay. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Okay, so similar quotes are in the book, and every single day, every single page is filled with motivational quotes, and then your small exercise. Then at the back of the book, my motto: a driver for life, not just to pass your test. Okay, one of my students told me many years ago that she failed her test, but her brother passed. Now he asked me, why did she fail? Her brother passed, and exactly 2 days after passing, her brother crashed the family car. Why? Well, I have no reply to that. And I just tell her that, well, I'm not quite sure, but I was teaching her to be a driver for the rest of her life, not just to pass her test. Okay? And yeah, so that's it. So that is just a brief overview of this particular logbook. And as I said before, it is not mandatory that you buy these things. You can get them from other places as well. And if you like shopping on Amazon, definitely the link to these resources are in the description below. And thank you so much for watching this short video. And I will be creating another video with regards to explaining test results and the 10 reasons why most people fail their tests in the UK. I'll be creating that video for all my students and those who will benefit from it, because it's very, very important for you to understand those pitfalls and try to avoid them. Until then, stay safe, stay positive, and be a safe driver for life, not just to pass your test. Thank you.